What?
Someone have beep in their voice? Beep. We have a robot in our presence.
Well, like Jim said, it is nice
I know
outside.
you guys are fucking with me.
What are you talking about, babe?
The beep. See, I heard it again.
That was you.
That was you.
Shut up. Shut.
Oh my gosh.
What? I'm scared to be in here.
Ah! Goddamn. See, I heard it again.
Oh my
you
god.
talking
What
about?
are you talking about, dude? You're like freaking us out here.
Yes, I'm scared you're gonna hit me every time you keep supposed to hear
know.
this
Well,
beep
because
sound.
you guys keep talking, and when you guys talk, it fucking comes, like, I hear it.
Hear what?
The beeping sound. It goes beep.
What beeping sound?
See? Right there again.
Oh my god.
You tripping out? It was funny. I'm scared you're gonna hit me for no reason.
Dude,
You
like,
guys don't hear that?
I don't hear
you
nothing.
don't hear nothing, dude.
Last time we hit a home run.
You're dropping a home run.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What? What? Just shut up for like 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30.
Should we talk now?
I think we established this is a
There's something wrong with her head.
Rec
Because
3.
No,
The beep.
shut up, shut up. Wait, no, get out. Wait.
I have a weird feeling it'll go off as soon as I open this door.
Oh my god! What are you
What